Habakan Jepang kajing ai por kaba khasan sngi jong kaseng kisamla pule ke jela ke KSU ya ke sarkar jela pakan kendang ya baro ki basa Beaiñ kuntup ru ya ki nongri masi na po ke Maxwellton Estate ke badon haril bong na kaliang usimbut menteri langpa oba Prestone tensong ulong da ke basai Lada Kidei ki basa Beaiñ ki hab long ki bala Khreh ban kinria no na kate ke jaka Laban penkemau ban kaliang ke Khasi Students Union KSU tangshan kal iPod si posngi ya ke sarkar bakan kendang ya borok ki basya Beaiñ bat kentup ru ya ki bari masi napo ke Maxwellton Estate kaba kejinghe ke jaka kalakot syaka kendai akar ke badon hajan ke Mekaraya Legislative Assembly Building haba kali gilat ai jing yada hakate ka thain ba Prestone tensong ulang ba ke kam halor kilat yada ka de ke jingkit kli jong kiri penyai district par kilat don haka kamram ban pentik na ba paro kin yo kilat jing yada bat ban chongsuk chongsai
see this is the responsibility of each district administration. In fact, district administration, they are on the job to make sure anybody is safe, they stay cool, calm. We don't have much to say on that. Number two, even for so-called illegal settlers, that again let the law takes its own course. So I'm very sure the law will prevail and the law will take its own course. And if it is true that they are illegal settlers, then ultimately they have to be ready to shift from from that location.
But earlier there was some court case which was pending. Has it been disposed of, sir?
No, the court case is still on. That's what I'm saying. So we have to see, we have to wait. That's why what I'm trying to tell you is let us wait and see. Let the law takes its own course.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I'm happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center